This is Liberty stock number 50920. It's a Glebar model PG-9BHD Centerless form grinder. Serial number 041419.
Alright, come around a little bit. It's down the front. Through here. Alright. Oiling system, straight away. See the control panel. That's on. All the plugins, color-coded plugins on the bottom down there. Oh, that's right. This opens up. We can take a quick look maybe at the hydraulic section. There we go. Main pump, accumulator, gauge. Good on yet? Close that up. Yeah, depth stop, the whole feed control for the RAM right here. I got the switches set and an indicator. When we come back around, we'll show a couple cycles. This is made for the feed system. We're not using this one, but we are using the other two. And as you come around the top, of course, pump motor. That's for recip. This is for reg wheel. They're both controllable here and here. This is reg wheel control. That's the motor and the clamp system for sliding that back and forth for the U-joints. Main drive down below, but you come over here, but you want to see the books.
Oh, we'll go here first.
Yeah. Got a main drive right here. You can't really see the motor, conveyor system. Water comes in over here. Books next to you on the table here. It's all kinds of good books. Yeah, they're pretty good. Instruction manual, parts manual, controller manual for feed systems, a couple other books. A lot of good documentation here. This is the
Coolant system
that came with it. Yep.
Yep.
We'll come around to the front, maybe show the control panel, and down low, kind of bounce over to the main panel, show that, and we'll run it. We're currently tapped in. This is my temp line here at 440 volts. Auto direct PLC down there, a couple starters, pretty straightforward. So that's maybe we'll just do the spindle first and take this off of here. I don't have it tight. And you can kind of see, there's nothing to see in there, there's no wheel on there, but we'll just start the work wheel and you can just listen to it. You can see the aluminum discs in there, the spacers for clamping the wheel if there's one on there, a stone. I'm going to turn that on now. That's a fixed speed right there, that just runs. Let it coast down once, start it back up again. And it'll come up one more time. Sounds good. And the only other thing on here, of course, is the hydraulic system. We start this up. We have our reciprocation on the slide, and of course the regulating wheel as soon as I start it. So we'll turn that on. And I can play with either one of these as you watch it. This is fast, slow, which is which here? That's slower, see? That's going real slow. Or speed it up. A little bit more. Yeah, go real fast. We'll slow it back down a little bit and I'll speed up the reg wheel. There we go. Now the reg wheel's right back over here. You can kind of see it. The guard's still on, but you can see the U-joint up through here and the reg wheel. This one's just a full control also. They're slow. We'll bring it up. Go way up. Moving right along. Slow it down some. We'll leave it right there for now, I guess, and do a couple cycles. That's all good. Happy. Loop system's working. And we only have 2 cycles basically. Pump's not hooked up for the feeder, so we'll leave those off. But we do have auto cycle off on and cycle. And we'll leave the work wheel off just because, for the time being, just to do a few cycles. I do have an indicator up here. We'll do auto cycle off and then we'll do an auto cycle on, which really just brings this switch into play and does a continuous cycle. So we'll do a single cycle first, and I'll hit it now. Fast to feed. Feed controls right here. We're moving real slow. When we do touch off at 0, I've got about an 8-second timer on the Eagle timer here. We'll be coming up on that now. That turns the timer on, counting down to 0. I don't know if you can see the pointer on the camera.
I'll do it next.
Yeah, do that one more. Just bring it right back in again. I'll speed that up a little bit faster. Keep it a little bit quicker. You'll see the clock come up, and right about the time you hit 0, the Eagle timer turns on. Right there. Counting down. I'll do one more time. I'll just open it wide open, and you'll see it. I'm going to hit it real soon now. Yeah, I opened it up now. Timer. Going down. 8 seconds, and cycle finished. That all works. Feed works. All the controls work. The only thing I can do now is turn on auto cycle, which brings this guy into play, and it's just going to go continuous. So here we go. Same feed. I'm going to open it up just to move it along a little bit quicker. You probably see the feed now moving so fast. We'll lower the timing down to about 5 seconds, and it should repeat, I believe. Yep, there it goes. Let me bring it down to like 3 seconds. Everything's moving faster now. Timer, 3 seconds. Back, go. And if I shut it off in midstream, obviously, it'll go all the way back now. That's what we got. Turn that off. The whole thing running, hydraulics and work wheel together. That's everything. One more cycle with everything running. Home. Turn off work wheel. Turn off hydraulics. We're good to go, people.